Hello everyone, I am your math teacher. My tutor ID is mymathworld5004. I hope you all are doing well. I warmly welcome to all students and families to our channel. I am so excited to deliver all my lectures to my potential students. In this series, we are going to have a lot of fun with math. I would explain it in a way you will understand it easily. I hope you will like my teaching method. So we will definitely do so many practice examples, and of course you would have to practice them because practice makes a man perfect. I would like to ask all the students, especially of A levels and IB students, please listen these lectures carefully because you are going to get a lot of benefit from this. And to join our regular class, please visit the website www.mymathworld.com. See you in the class and Happy New Year. Bye.